Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to hopefully finish up all the framing. We have the bird blocking left to do up at the top of the truss where it ties into the building. We have the fascia boards to put on and then finish the varge rafter on the front. There's also going to be 6 joist hung purlins that go between the trusses down below before we put the fascia on. It seems like a pretty short order for the day. Every time I say my goal out loud, somehow we fall short. We'll see how today goes. We're going to do our best to get all the framing done and try to stay warm in the process.
First thing we're going to do is go around and install all the joist hangers for the joist hung purlins. Got 6 of them, 1 in each of the sidewall bays here. As we went across installing all the joist hangers, we took measurements so we could cut all 3 purlins while we were on the ground. And now we're installing all 3 of the joist hung purlins on the east side of the building. Now that we got the first 3 done on the east side, we'll move to the west side and do the exact same thing. Now that we have all 6 joist hung purlins in, we're going to go around and cut the outriggers off to match the pitch of the roof and install the varge rafters and install the fascia. Now that the varge rafters and the fascia are complete, the last thing we got to do is go and install all the bird blocking between all the purlins at the top of the truss that is attached to the shop. And there goes the last bird block. It looks like the roof framing is complete. In the next video, we're going to start installing some roofing. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment below.